Hey guys, there was an update to World War II today, and Sledgehammer had made a tweet to let us know that they made a change to the health regen delay. A lot of people don't like the fact that you seem to stay red screened for a really long time, and yeah, the health regeneration does seem a little bit slow. They said that they improved that with this update, so I wanted to go in and compare it to before the update to see how slow it was before and how much faster it is now. The footage on the right is what it was like before the update, and on the left is obviously after the update. So I've got these players going like red screen and losing a shield at the exact same moment. And you're going to see the one on the left has completely regenerated its health, and the one on the right has barely even started. I'll show it again zoomed in, but the difference is that now it only takes 7 seconds to completely regenerate the health, and originally it was 11 seconds. And yeah, those 4 seconds can make a big difference when you're like red screen and running for your life. And with this zombies mode having an excessive amount of hazards like bombers and whistlings, this is definitely going to help out the players. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this really quick and the comparison and show you, yeah, it is better. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.